Okay, problem number 2. We have parentheses, 20 minus 10, parentheses, plus, parentheses, 4 minus 1, parentheses. So again, before we even get started, we're going to go ahead and write down our steps. GMA. And the other thing I'm noticing is that we have step 1, step 2, and step 3. So our steps all have to do with how many symbols we see in our problem. I see subtraction, I see addition, I see subtraction. So since I have 3 action symbols, I'm going to have 3 steps to get to my answer. That's important because after GMA number 2 practice that we do, I will not be providing these lines anymore. You will be responsible for getting your own lines. Okay? All right, so let's begin. We have G. G stands for grouping symbols. So right away, I see that I have parentheses right here in the front. So I'm going to underline 20 minus 10. All right? 20 minus 10 is going to give me 10. And I've solved that piece, so the next thing I would do would be to drop down my addition symbol, to drop down the parentheses, to drop down the number 4, then drop down the minus, and the subtraction, the 1 and the parentheses. So everything that I did not underline just slides into place. It's like it floats down. Okay? Go back to my steps again. I see that I have G, which means groupings. So I have another grouping symbol. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to underline this grouping piece, which is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then I'm going to slide the addition symbol and slide the 10 down. They just float into place. If they're not underlined, they just float down. I'm going to go back to my steps. I don't have any more grouping symbols, so I'm going to cross that off. I think to myself, are there any multiplicatives? The only symbol I see is adding, so I'm going to go ahead and cross that off. And the next piece would be my additive relationships. So I see an adding symbol. So 10 plus 3 is going to give me 13. Box in your answer. I'll see you back for the next problem.